Hi folks, today we are at Gamers Alley. It is raining. It is 50 degrees. Unlike yesterday, which is over 80 degrees. And check out this little toy show here at Gamers Alley here in Gastonia. So let's go. Here's our little sign here. It's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. It's Sunday morning, so I'm going to go inside. It's right over here. Looks like there's some people here already. They got some cars already parked in the parking lot. Head over here. Check it out. There you go. There's the entry way to Gamers Alley. So it's just not video games. They got toys here too. A lot of vintage stuff as well. And it's a pretty good sized store. Been here before. It's been a while, but we'll go inside and check it out. So when you enter, check it out. Look at G.I. Joe's right here. It's pretty amazing. And then over here, look at all this He-Man and also 70s. Look at the Ghostbusters headquarters. That is so cool. And Bigfoot from Bionic Man. He's $549. Got Pulsar, which I got a couple of those. Got a lot of the Ghostbusters down here. The real Ghostbusters. You got your Power Rangers. This whole your vintage stuff over here. And check out the mask booth right here. Look at these guys. Tons of Masters of the Universe. Got Thundercats down here. I'm going to show you all the displays. Ninja Turtles. Look at all this. And I love my Shoguns. Look at these guys. He's got a great assortment of Shogun Warriors. Had a few of these when I was quite young. I love to get a couple more to add to the collection. And I still love them. And he's got some good prices on them too. Look at all this Transformers up here. Got more Transformers and Voltron down the bottom. Pretty amazing collection. Look at the cops. Fighting cops right there. That's so cool. RoboCop. Look at all this. Transformers. Tons. Man, there's so much. And look over here too. Stuff you just don't see on a common basis at toy shows. Got the Silverhawk still in their packaging. Look at these. These are cool. Brave Star. Oh, there's a Hutch. Yeah, it's Hutch right here. And Chuck Norris. Got Chips. Centurions. A lot of box stuff. More Transformers. Crash Test Dummies right here. There is a lot. Love these guys here too. Skeleton Warriors. Got a few of those. Man, they're like mint in box. Mummy's Alive. Wow, you can hear everybody talking. Oh, there's your Supernaturals. So cool. But I'm looking around. You check everything. You got all your Legends and Transformers along this wall all the way down. You can hear this. A lot of people, but a lot of good stuff. Of course, in the showcases. A lot of the cool mint stuff. And all right, we're gonna walk around. So it is raining outside, so you do have tables set up in here. He's got a lot of room. Usually this area over here is all gaming. And but you know, vendor set up today over there. It's nice that we can have it inside. Really cool. Hey, if you need a treat, you get a treat here. Get a Coke and some snacks. Cool Defenders game here, still operational. Tons of games over here. Doing all right? So yeah, he's got a bunch of stuff. Look at the game collection. Tons of different games and different consoles. So much stuff. Look, all down here. Just all games. And then all games here. All on here in the booth. In the showcases. Man. Doing all right? That's the owner. Just passing with the beard there. But you can walk down here and just look at the pops. Tons of pops. We got Lucy's here. I'm gonna go through those. Yeah, he's always had a good selection of Lucy's. Dragon Ball Z. Here's all your Lucy's and Transformers all along here. Also got an anime right there. Yeah, it's great. Love it. I'm gonna walk around the dealer area, see what they got. Check out the hat collection. That's great. Love it. Got backpacks over here, t-shirts, more pops. Got the lounge cases here. Carry around your stuff. Got Gizmo, Power Rangers. I think one of the Power Rangers is here today too. I'll have to see who that is. Games, which is nice. Yeah, Games Workshop, board games, miniature games. They play them here too in their gaming area. There's your gaming books. Dungeons and Dragons and Pathfinder. More hats. And this is where you come over here to check out and walk over here. Oh, little gaming consoles. That's cool. They sell those too. But I just love how he has it arranged. Very nicely done and organized. But this is where you would check out right here. And little gaming books. You got also the graphic novels. Get donuts too. Yeah, get Krispy Kreme. Yeah, if you're in the Carolinas, you got to do Krispy Kreme. I'm getting this weird glare from the light, but everybody's online waiting for the Red Ranger from Power Rangers. He's here today, so sign an autograph. It's not here just yet, but I love these little consoles we can play games on. That's cool. Love all the posters. And over here, there's Russell. Got a little setup here for the show today. But I'm just going through each table and see what they have. A little bit of everything. So that's good show up for sure. Found some lunch boxes. Check out this classic Star Wars one. It's only $8 for this one. It's no thermos though. But the Jurassic Park one does have its thermos. You got Rocketeer, Strawberry Shortcake Clock. There's the where the wild things are. There he is right there. Pretty cool. Nice. You got G.I. Joe vehicles. You got some vintage games over here. Land of the Lost, Home Alone. Very nice. You got some cool little bundle deals here with the game consoles. That's cool. And there's another Shogun right here. $240 for him. There's a ton of Voltron stuff right here. Yeah, he's cool. I'm sure he's not cheap. He looks cool though. I like him. Got a nice Games Workshop set up here for the miniatures. Really nice. Then you got all the paints over here as well. So a little bit of everything. The bathrooms are back here in the back. And check out Deadpool right there. Had to get a shot of this showcase. Check out the aliens here. Predator figures. Got the Mega Heroes over here. I mean, these are just filled up with all kinds of classics. Got the Congo figures, the Waterworld figures. Nice. Oh, look, Pet Monster. There he is. Like mint in his box. That's amazing. Sectoids, Swamp Thing. I love the Swamp Thing. A few of those are open though, not in their box, but that's really cool. Yeah. Eternia. More figures. Get the wrestling over here. Yeah, nice. And some of the newer Thundercats figures. They're pretty impressive. I do like them. And oh yeah, more game console things here. G.I. Joe, all on this wall here. And then you go over here to Farland and DC. Then Legends, all the way down. And of course you get your Black Series. Got a great collection of Black Series figures. So while I'm here, I run to Tracy and Mancave. I'll have links to Mancave's site and also to Tracy's Needless Toys out of Lincolnton. Good to see you guys again.
Good to see you, man. You picked the wrong day to mess with me, Lace Face. It's morphin' time! Red Ranger power!
Yeah, it looks like he's here. He's right there. There's the Red Ranger. So it's cool. He's got a great crowd here. Good autographs. Yeah, very cool. So Scott's the owner of the Gamers Alley, and it was slammed in there. Talked to Scott, and we're going to do a video of the store more in depth eventually. But I just want to come here and share with you the kind of little toy show and the autograph session going on with the Red Power Ranger, which I thought was pretty cool. But I wanted to show you what I picked up, and I still have his hat. Here's his hat. So you saw that I'm in the Big Jim stuff, and I actually got Grizzly Adams. Yeah, I had to pick him up. He was actually part of the Big Jim series, and his Kung Fu grip still works, or his Kung Fu action. Let me show you his little arm action. Yeah, he still works. I was happy about that, because a lot of times you don't find the Kung Fu action for the Big Jim working. And I also picked up, let me show you what I also picked up. And I also picked up one of the Martians from Martian Attacks. He's missing his globe, which, I mean, I got him dirt cheap, like $5. And it doesn't have his gun. You know, I just thought it was kind of cool to display him. He's got his pack on. So he takes batteries. Not sure. Maybe he makes that acking noise. Not quite sure. So, yeah, but I was really thrilled to pick up Grizzly Adams and put him with the Big Jim collection. I just need to get his boots, which I can find plenty of the boots for sure. So we'll get him set up, get his boots, and display him with the rest of those Big Jims I have. But I wanted to thank you guys. Please subscribe. Joining me here with this little toy hunt, toy show here at Gamer Alley in Gastonia. It was a lot of fun. And we're going to probably grab something to eat and head on home. It's cold and wet. Big change from yesterday. It was sunny and 81 degrees. Right now, it is 50. So that is crazy. That's Carolina weather. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.